I have been to Nainital and Sattal multiple times, but every time, for some reason, I was unable to visit Chaffi. So this time, I decided to take a car and visit the region of Chaffi and explore the wildlife around the place. I was staying in a budget resort known as the Canadian Woods. The place was decent and it was close to the birding hotspots. Hey, what is up guys, welcome to the channel. So today I'm in Sattal and my plan is to do birding around the Chaffi area. So right now I'm walking towards the Sattal ashram hide. We'll spend the afternoon over there and see what all birds we can find there. And basically it's better than spending my time in the room, right? So that is why I'll be spending the afternoon in the hide. And after that, tomorrow is the main day. Tomorrow I'll be heading towards Chaffi and I'll see what all birds I can find over there. My target species in Chaffi are brown fish owl, Forktail deeper and red starts, as well as some kingfishers. So let's see how this trip becomes. The first bird that I clicked in the hide was a Rufous-chinned Laughingthrush. It's a very common bird to visit the hide. Few chestnut bellied nuthatches also came in search of food. After the nuthatches left, another small bird, green-backed tit, came to the hide. Even though it's a very common bird, still clicking red-billed Leothrixes are always fun. Red jungle fowls are not frequent visitors, so I was happy to find the bird. Finally, the bird that I was waiting for arrived in front of me, and it was really an amazing sight to watch one of the most beautiful hide bird in front of me taking bath. So I had great luck today in the hide. So actually the ashram hide was closed, so I went to a different hide and it was amazing. It was the last bird to come. I was about to pack up and then it came. and I'm really happy. Now looking forward to tomorrow. Let's see how Chaffi is gonna go. So I have reached the Chaffi region and I have Jeevanji with me who will be guiding me today. So we are looking for some owls and let's see if we can find them. Chaffi was exactly the way I imagined it to be. Both the jungle and the rivers were absolutely amazing. The first bird that we spotted here was a Himalayan Rubythroat. Even though the bird was not out in the open, I really enjoyed the sight. We also found a crested kingfisher in the same area. It's a very common bird in this region. So I had a great time in Chaffi and also Sattal. So I'll be ending the vlog over here. If you have enjoyed this video, then I'll request you to subscribe to the channel and also please put a thumbs up. And if you are planning your trip in Sattal, make sure that you visit this place because this place has tawny fish owl and brown fish owl as well. Unfortunately, I could not find either of them. However, still it's a very nice place, a nice relaxing place. You can come here and you can explore the place a little bit and you might get lucky with some good birds as well. So see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.